Hi guys, Nicole here with the Pensacola MESS Hall, and today we're going to show you kind of a magic trick called the disappearing penny. This experiment demonstrates refraction. So, you have three materials that you need. You need to get a clear plastic cup, you can probably find that in your pantry, a penny, doesn't cost a whole lot to do this trick, and some water. So, the first thing you're going to do to demonstrate this is you're going to put your clear plastic cup on top of your penny. And you can see clearly that you can see your penny on the bottom of your cup. Then, keeping your cup on top of your penny, you're going to then go ahead and pour some water into your cup and watch what happens to the penny. The penny disappears. We can also make the penny reappear. So, we're going to move our cup. We're going to add some water on top of our penny. You can take an eyedropper at home or some kind of syringe. In this case, I'm going to use a pipette, and we're going to add some water on top of our penny. Now, we're going to place our cup back on top of our penny, and as you can see, the penny reappeared. So, Tina, why don't you tell us a little bit about why that penny disappeared?
We see images as light bounces off of objects and into our eyes. You can see the penny at the bottom of the empty cup as light bounces off the penny and easily travels through air and the plastic cup. When the cup is filled with water, the penny disappears due to refraction as the water refracts the image of the penny in a different direction. By placing a droplet of water between the penny and the full cup, you remove the air in the space between, allowing the light to travel through the water and the plastic cup without refracting, and the penny reappears.
Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you next time at the Mess Hall. Bye.